Let's face it, if you're here watching this video right now, you're sick and tired of your video conversion. I was in your shoes not long ago, but I discovered a product that changed everything for me. And I'm sure it'll solve your problem too. Please, watch the following video and then thank me after that.
Hi there, this is Paul Pona, and in this video I wanted to give you a quick demo of our Video Builder app that is launching on July 21st. Once you go into the dashboard, you will see options like this to your left, right? So the idea behind the Video Builder app is not only can you do the video I showed you just now, where you can have a 3D animation character speaking, but also have text effects beside them, and also have transitions, lower third elements, and so on. So literally you're doing exactly what a human spokesperson would do, but beyond that as well. Now, this is where it gets more interesting, right? With a human character, right? Let's just say human spokesperson, right? Like my partner, Todd Gross, he does a lot of human spokesperson videos, right? The issue with that is once you create a human spokesperson video, you can't really edit it anything anywhere else or any way you wish, right? Because it's done. But that means you have to really order another video, or if you wanted to use that video for another purpose, another niche, you have to keep buying new videos this way. And while it's captivating, this new form of video based on proof of concept, where we've tested this in different sales videos in different niches, has outperformed the human spokesperson videos. This allows your customers to really have flexibility, right? Which means they can put a 3D character and add their own voiceover. They can have a professional voiceover or use our text-to-speech to create a real professional sales video that they can upload to YouTube, Vimeo, or even create it for clients and so on. And this new form of video we like to call 3D avatar motion capture explainer videos, right? So let me give you an example. So as you can see here in this project right here, I have the actual character speaking, and you can have lower third elements. You can change the background completely to whatever you want. And the cool thing is we've done beyond that because we wanted to be the ultimate video builder out there, right? So if you think about it, what we've done is we've added intro animations, right? Which means at the introduction of the video, you want your logo to show up, right? And you have an animation there for your logo to display and so on. We've done that. So as you can see here, I have different logo animations. We're adding them as we speak, right? And you can just click one button, go next, right? And you can say what kind of delay you want and what color you want and what kind of text you want, everything. You can customize everything, and boom, you just click preview and it's gonna show up this way, completely animated, right? That's the actual intro that's gonna occur before every video of yours. That's how easy it is. You just click next and drag and drop this into the timeline like so. That's as easy as it can get, right? You would do it in the beginning of the video, but I already have an intro here in this project, so I wanted to show you. Now, if you go back down, we also have outro animations, right? Which means, think about it, outro animations are after the end of the video. You want to have a call to action, like click this button below, or join our Facebook group, or go to our website, or subscribe to my actual newsletter. Oh, you get the idea, right? So if I go here, for example, this is the actual outro animation. Again, very customizable. Click the button below and so on. You have text effects around it and all that good stuff. Before to do this, you needed Adobe After Effects, and you had to have experience doing video editing, video animation work. We've done that completely push button easy for your customers. Now on top of that as well, to make it even better and useful for your customers, we've allowed you to actually have a choice of avatars. Now again, we'll be adding them as we go along. For example, we also have some premium avatars as an upgrade that they can purchase. So for example, if I choose Jenna as the character, right, if you go next, there are options here where you can record the actual voice right here. You can use text-to-speech engine, our powerful text-to-speech engine, which is the world's best text-to-speech engine, available online right now. And you also have media library, where you can, for example, get a voiceover done professionally with Fiverr.com and so on, and then upload it from your computer. So this gives you a very huge amount of flexibility, right? For example, if I just click record audio, I can record it right here and have it completely played and lip synced, right? Which means if there are pauses, the character, the 3D animation character would also pause, similar to how an animation movie or Hollywood movie would work, right? Then there's actually a complete lip sync technology is in place here. Similarly, without any really high-end 3D apps like Cinema 4D or Adobe After Effects, you can use our Video Builder app to do this really high-end 3D animations and 3D motion capture explainer videos and avatar videos, right? So on top of that as well, as you can see here, we can also add text animation. So we have, as you can see here, many different text effects that you can add to your animations and your 3D avatar explainer videos. So as you can see, we're adding them as we speak, a lot of them, as you can see. We have smoking here, shocking text, bubbly, you get the idea. We have squiggly text, and all these text effects work seamlessly within the app. Now, to make it even better, we've also allowed flexibility to upload your own media into the app. So if you just don't want to use just the 3D animation characters, but you want to use your own videos you want to import, or you purchased royalty-free videos, or you want to use our own media library of images and videos, high-end videos that you want to create professional videos with, that's also possible thanks to our media library that you see right now on your screen, where you can have background music. Again, very easy. You just click this plus sign here and you can add a new track. For example, here is add track button here, and then you can automatically add a track and then drag and drop your audios or your background music and so on, or your voiceovers, whatever you want. You can use that our media library. And same thing with images, you drag and drop it into the timeline. Now think about how really valuable that is, because you can have layers of stuff. For example, I can have an image, a video, a 3D animation character, and text effects happening at the same time to create a real professional video without needing any of those high-end, very difficult to use apps like After Effects and so on. And because you don't even need to really use our templates, you can even create your own template around it. That gives you that blank canvas to take it to another level, basically, right? And on top of that as well, you also get lower third animations. Now this comes from broadcast, obviously, right? So if you wanted to have, for example, animations where right at the bottom of the video you have animations show up this way, as you can see to your left. These are all animations that will come at the bottom left or bottom right of the video, whatever you choose, right? And these animations will be customized with your text, by the way, okay? As you can see, you can have your logo, your company name, or just you can have some text animated this way. And again, the same thing goes here. You click next, and then you drag and drop it after you selected your text, right? I can just put my text saying our new features include and ... right? I can do that, and that will completely get animated here, and you just drag and drop it into the timeline, okay? So that's as straightforward as it is. With the timeline availability that we have, it creates a blank canvas where you can create any kind of video. The ones we are promoting are the 3D motion capture avatar explainer videos, the new kind of video that nobody has ever done, and it's really eye-captivating. But again, that's because a lot of users, they want something quick, right? They don't want to get on camera, they want to use their own voice and so on. They want to use something that's ready to go, that they can upload and start generating traffic as an affiliate marketer, or they can start doing as a consultant or agency, build these high-end videos which require a lot of different apps to make an experience with video editing and video production to be able to do. They can do it on the fly in just a few seconds or even a minute or less using this particular Video Builder app. So that is really what the Video Builder app does. Now on top of that, we have undo, redo features. It's completely web-based, as you can see, and you can save your projects and open up. They're all in the cloud, so therefore you don't have to even have your computer turned on for it to work. Once you create a movie, it's done, right? You can just go do your thing. You can even switch off your internet. You're done, because it will work behind the scenes. Now, the cool thing with a web-based video builder, editor, and as well as a video production app is we can really scale it up, right? Meaning if somebody is trying to create really high-end videos, right? With their computer these days, it's not as strong to render, and it would really heat up their computer systems. You probably know this, where if you have a really high-end rendering work being done in a computer system, what happens is that computer can crash or it heats up. In this case, since it's completely cloud-based, we already have the cloud infrastructure in place, so their computer will be fine. It doesn't even relate to their computer at all, which is again another huge plus that will benefit all the users who are using a Mac, a PC, or whatever device that they're trying to use to render high-end 3D motion capture avatar explainer videos that are fully animated with text effects, intros, outros, and motion elements that prior to this would have cost them thousands of dollars to pay an expert to build, right? So here's another really cool part about this whole process that is important for you to understand when you're explaining this to your subscribers and so on. The major element that's happening here is the blank canvas effect, right? Which means they can not just create these 3D motion capture animation videos, but also create all these other elements, right? Lower thirds, they can add their own background music, they can even add filters and titles at any point. Like for example, you want to zoom in a part of it, you just create that filter, drag and drop it. You want to mute an audio at some place, you can do that. Everything is built in, so it gives complete flexibility, not just for the newbie users who just want a template, they just want to have a few steps, they type in a text and render a video in just a few seconds and done, but also the advanced video production folks who want to create something for their clients and also want to do some advanced stuff. We've done that as well here. So this is a completely encompassing video production, video creation, and video editing solution that people will not just use it now, but for a very long time to come, which is why we're so excited about this.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for pricing, ratings, and reviews.